What I like about ICS is that they do things right. They really focus on making sure that the customer is back in a safe vehicle with safe and proper repairs. Name is Mike Mays, over here at ICS Collision Center. I'm the lead body technician, structural technician. That entails anything from doing disassembly, meticulous disassembly. We try and catch everything on the front end, all the way through the repair process, from disassembly to reassembly. I like the culture here. Everybody seems to mesh really well together. I feel that if you want to work on RVs, if you want to work on cars, if you want to just a little different atmosphere, this is the place for you to be. And if you want to do safe and proper repairs, ICS is for you. We've all got choices. We can take our car to any shop that we want. You know, some companies want to save you your deductible. Some companies want to do what's right. We want to do what's right, and that's safe and proper repairs. That means making your vehicle back to pre-accident condition. That means that if you get in another vehicle accident, you are safe and secure in your vehicle. If your vehicle is not properly repaired and you're doing a frame rail on a vehicle and there's not an exact number of weld counts that the manufacturer wants you to put back in that it could affect the collapse rate of the vehicle. So when you get into an accident, your airbag deployment is in 1/1000th of a second reaction time, and it could fail to go off at the correct time.